If you want to learn copywriting but you are stopped because your English is not strong, then this video is for you. Let's be honest with you, the problem is not your copywriting and even not your English level. The problem is how you are learning English and how you are thinking about English. So that's what's stopping you. I see all the time people want to become copywriters, but the moment they see strong English required, they freeze. Even their levels B1, B2 still feel daunting to them. And I know that feeling because I felt that too. We start thinking like my English is not enough, what if I make mistakes? And that fear stops everything. So let's talk about the main cause. You treat English like a subject, not like a language. You focus on grammar, rule, perfect sentence, and academic thinking. And that's why you feel heavy and mentally taxing. You start overthinking about every sentence. But for the communication, you don't need perfect English. By the way, the perfect English pressure is what blocks you. Before I share the routine, I want to tell you what you need to do. When it's come to English, become a curious cat. Don't ask if is my grammar is perfect or okay or not. Ask how do native speakers actually say this, and curiosity builds the skill. And I know one question bothering you, why he says talking about speaking, not talking about writing, and copywriting is all about writing. But the thing is, in copywriting we write the word we speak every day. Not academic writing, not it's like you need to write an essay and academic writing and use heavy and difficult words. It's like you transferring your message to other person. You're talking to the one person. So that's why I'm talking about how people speak, and that's how you write. Follow this 20 to 30 minute daily routine to improve your English so you become fluent about 3 to 6 months. Step 1, input. Choose one video and do what they teach you. Not tomorrow, not then, next day, in that day do whatever they told you in that video. And recommended channel is J Forest English and English with Lucy, English at the Ready, and Rodika the Foreign Son. These are the best channel for learning English. Step 2, phrases. Instead of only memorizing the vocabulary, memorize the phrases, because every word meaning change in different sentence and different phrase. And also if you are learning copywriting, use these phrases in your copywriting. Step 3, speak every day from 30 seconds to 1 minute and gradually increase your timing, and record yourself on your camera or on your phone recorder and listen again and check how you are changing every day. Step 4, write. Take any kind of copy like email, sales page, landing page, and rewrite in your own version and try to use your learned phrases in that copy, and write like you speak, because copywriting is equal to real communication. Step 5, shadowing. Do shadowing every day. Listen to the native speaker and try to copy their voices, copy their patterns like you are doing their acting. I know most of people are gonna say we need language partner to speak with them, and so we can improve our English, and that's true. When you speak with native speaker, you improve your English faster than anyone else. But if you have money you can spend on yourself, they will charge definitely. But if you talk about free platforms, these platform people are non-serious, they only distract you. So instead of that, you study by yourself. That is much better than that. And this is what you don't need to do. Everywhere people recommended a show like Jimmy Fallon show, but I personally don't like these shows for improving my English, because these shows mostly scripted, and situation and scenario happen that shows scripted. We never gonna use in that real life. Instead of that, I personally like travel vloggers or daily vloggers from America and UK, because that's how you know how real British and real Americans speak. So, and one more thing, also watch the show that you like and that you are interested in, not recommended by everyone. For example, everyone recommended a show like Friends, but I personally don't feel connected with the show Friends. And also when it comes to the memorizing the vocabulary, don't only memorize the vocabulary, memorize the phrases and idioms, because in real life we never talk word by word, we talk phrase by phrase. And one more thing, in every word meaning change in different phrases, so try to learn phrases and idioms instead of only vocabulary. English is very powerful language. English has a word for every situation, every feeling, and every circumstances and every behavior. For example, word like nostalgia, narcissist, gaslighting, and it's so powerful. You say only one word and other people understand what you're trying to say. And when it's compared to my language, I need to describe whole situation, whole scenario, that behavior, that other person is doing this and that. But in English, you use only one word. That's so powerful, and that fascinates me. And also one more thing, don't pay attention on the people who just dissing online and offline other people. They only learn things to criticize others. So they're never going to do anything in their life. They just criticize others. So don't pay attention on them. And remember these things, if you are B1, B2 level, you are closer than you think. And don't even skip one day, even you feel wiped out. This is your bread and butter. And 20 minutes daily are better than 2 hours once a week. If you follow this routine, you will definitely see the change. And once again, treat English like a language, not like a subject. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below. From next Saturday, I'm going to start email marketing series. And if you want a clear roadmap for beginner copywriters, you can download my PDF, link in description. And that's all for today. Peace out.